Hello, good morning. It's our second day in Mia and we're going to rent a motorbike for today because we're going to the beach. So here is the motorbike rental shop. It's called Rental 819.
Hello, my name is Zell and welcome back to my travel diary. Thank you for clicking on this video and I hope that you will find this video informative or helpful to your future travel.
We are on our way to the beach and we just passed by here, so we're making a quick stop here just to check out. We rented the parasol and they have life jackets, but only for kids. Luckily I'm too small to fit to the kids life jacket, so this is our parasol. Oh, this beach is not crowded. Look, now we're ready. We brought our marine shoes and our snorkeling gear and the life jacket that I rented. And this is also from the rental place here. Like, what's that? He said it's food. Wow. Yakisoba. Yo guys, this beach is so calm and it's not crowded. Yeah, there are some foreigners here. And we're trying to find some fish, but we only found like a few, like one or two. Well, it's sandy here. It's good and it's clear. Yeah, the water is clear. My husband wants to go to the end there, so to see if he can find some fish. Okay, itarasai.
So many jellyfishes here. I'm a bit scared. Wow, yeah, that is so big. OMG. 怖っ。何これ。どこ持ってんのかな、こういうの。I'm not sure if they are poison. Wow. Most jellyfish are brown. But I saw some white ones too. Wow. まあ大体茶色ばっかやけど、白いクラゲもたまに見て、なんかさっき白いクラゲはあんまり良くないって隣とか近くにいたおっちゃんが言ってた。怖えな。あそこの上登りたかったけど、なんかクラゲが周りにめっちゃいるっていうからちょっと諦めて帰ります。I wanted to go up there, but they say they are surrounded by a lot of jellyfish, so I gave up. Yeah, it's so good, it's so comfortable. The water is not so cold. Oh, the weather is good. The water is clear. I don't see many fish.
Oh my gosh, even here there's jellyfish. really have to be careful. Here in another beach, we just saw this while on the way back to Ise. So yeah, there's less people here too, but the sand is not the same as in the at the other beach. I'm not sure if there's jellyfish here. They close early here, even if there's still a lot of people. Hey, it's so cute. There's Snoopy Village here. Katana fried chicken. Starbucks. Ooh. Oh, they don't have the Been There series. No, only Japan. Oyster and craft beer. Fried oyster. This is the last one. Sold out.
Okage Yokocho is a must visit when you are in Mie Prefecture. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to explore and enjoy the food, which is really perfect for a food trip. If we go back to Mie someday, Okage Yokocho will be the first in our itinerary.
You can withdraw money here. There's ATM here.
It's dinner time and this was our last night in Mie Prefecture. And also the next day was my husband's birthday. So we tried to go to a little bit fancier izakaya. This izakaya offers fugu, so it means that their chef is a licensed one. But unluckily, we didn't try fugu. I don't know why we didn't order fugu in this izakaya.
I'm going to take this out. Let's see if I can take out everything. Sometimes it's difficult.
We went here a while ago, but they were full. And they have English.
Wow.
This is half. Wow! Really? It's moving? But they cut it in half, but it's still moving. What's this? The sashimi. This is the sashimi. So we ordered the big shrimp. The big shrimp. Ise ebi. Okay. Oh no. You're killing him. My husband is trying to eat it already, but this one is still moving. I don't want to eat it.
To show you. First off.
Okay. Good. You put wasabi!
Yeah, I put wasabi.
You put wasabi.
Without wasabi.
You put wasabi.
Try it again. Small. Can you eat this? Okay, good.
It's just like the fish sashimi.
Yeah. It's pretty. It's really fresh.
Yeah, it's moving. We finished eating the sashimi of the shrimp. So I asked my husband, how are we going to eat this? I was thinking that we're going to remove the meat, but he said they're going to make miso soup for us. It's plus 200 yen. So we have to give this back to them and then they will make miso soup for us. It's ready.
When it starts burning, it's ready to eat. Instruction says.
Okay, then it's ready to eat. Yay! Our ise ebi is now ready to eat.
7,500 ise shrimp.
I'll just try a little. It's really sweet. It's very tasty.
Yeah.
Shrimp is oishi. It's like meat. It's like pork.
Yeah, it's very different from normal shrimp.
So now here's our ise ebi miso soup. So fast. So this is plus 200 yen. This is our oyster. So big. I was so surprised.
Grilling oyster.
Open! I remember the nama oyster in Ishigaki?
Yes.
Ishigaki kana? Ishigaki-jima? Miyako-jima! So last night we went to the ice cream shop here and we asked for their recommendation and they said I should try the salt cookie ice cream. So I'm going to try it now. It's 11:10, so they must be open and we saw two people eating their ice cream. Kujini ice. 21 o'clock ice. Konbanwa! 昨日のおすすめはあれ、 塩茎これかな、塩茎ときなこ。Oh, you don't like it? What do you want?
なんか
伊勢は観光ですか？
そうですね、はい。なんかありますか？伊勢のみたいな。
伊勢限定っていうのがあって。
あ、この2つですか？
そうですね。抹茶あんが美味しいです。
あ、じゃあ抹茶。
男性人気は抹茶あんのが高いですね。
それぞれほうじ茶、レッドビーンズペーストほうじ茶。ほうじ茶好きなんですよ、ほうじ茶。
好きです。抹茶嫌いです。じゃあ、which one?
Let's try ほうじ茶。
Okay. We can try.
シアモナカのほうじ茶と塩クッキーですね。
はい。
ありがとうございます。
美味しそう。
Thank you guys for watching this video, and do not forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. See you in the next video. Bye bye!
Now we're going to our private beach.